this video, you will learn how to connect WMIC from USB cable with your phone. Follow the step by step and I will show the guidance here. Okay, you can find out here some tips from the WMIC to connect your mobile phone from the USB cable as microphone. Okay, let's follow the steps. Okay, first you have to go to your phone or mobile. From the mobile phone, go to the setting tab. Then after, click on the search box, and here you have to type BUIL build. We have to find out the build number, and when you find out the build number, then you have to press it for the 5 times. Okay, if you press it 5 times, then it will enable us the USB debugging option. Okay, that is the developer setting. Go back and go to the search box again and type there developer option, just DEVLOP. Developer option is found there. Just click that and scroll down and enable the USB debugging. Click OK, and now this mobile part is done. Now let's jump to the computer. In the PC, open the WMIC client. Then after, go to the connection and choose USB. Okay, you must choose the USB option in your phone also. Okay, I have chosen here the Bluetooth so that this problem occurred to me. Okay, I have chosen the option that is the USB in my phone. Okay, WMIC client. Then just go to connect, select USB and connect. Okay, finally this is connected and this voice is recorded from my WMIC with USB microphone. Okay friend, if this video really helped you, then don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.